Welcome to this YouTube video where we are going to tackle a problem together. The problem we have at hand is related to rendering a tree structure in React. We have a TreeNode component and a file containing mock objects that we want to display in a tree-like format on our page. It's been a bit tricky to figure out how to properly render all these files, but don't worry, we'll walk through the solution step by step. Now, let's dive into the solution. The key here is to leverage recursion to render the tree structure. The provided code snippet initializes an array of files with nested objects representing the tree nodes. The TreeNode component is then recursively rendered to display each node and its children, creating a hierarchical tree representation. This approach allows us to build the tree structure dynamically and efficiently. Continuing with the solution, the code snippet also includes the necessary setup for the React application. It imports the React and reactjs libraries and sets up the root element for rendering the main app component. By mapping over the files array and rendering the TreeNode component for each node, we can effectively display the entire tree structure on the page. This organized approach ensures that the tree is rendered correctly and optimally. In summary, we've successfully addressed the problem of rendering a tree structure in React by utilizing recursion and a component-based approach. The provided code showcases how to render nested tree nodes efficiently and dynamically. I hope this solution has been helpful and insightful for you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below with your thoughts. And remember, keep coding and keep smiling.